Hey guys, it's Lauren Z with Biowarrior, and today I want to share with you guys the top 7 out of 14 superfoods for fat melting. A lot of us here in the Biowarrior community not only are interested in anti-aging, we're interested in boosting our immune system, we're interested in detoxing our bodies, we're also interested in having more energy throughout the day, as well as fighting off excess weight gain. So the Biowarrior lifestyle is all about weight loss and anti-aging, and so I want to share with all of you guys today some of the superfoods we use in our program and how they're so effective at melting the fat off your body. So the number one superfood to help melt that fat off is actually apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is something you want to incorporate into your daily diet every day. It's a form of a probiotic. It helps your body detox, fight off sugar cravings, and help you digest your food properly. So this is a great one to start using daily. The second superfood is cayenne pepper. Here we got some cayenne pepper. This one here is non-irradiated, so it means it wasn't radiated. It's pure and it's high quality. Cayenne pepper helps your body go into thermogenesis. Thermogenesis is where it actually raises your body temperature, causing you to actually like sweat and burn calories. So this is another superfood you want to incorporate daily. A cool little hack is where you actually pour apple cider vinegar into a little cup of water, add some cayenne pepper and some lemon juice, and there you got a little fat burning hack you can use daily. The third superfood is actually green tea. I don't have green tea on me, I have red tea. This is also another really powerful fat burning tea, but green tea is extremely rich in antioxidants and one form of antioxidant that actually helps you guys boost your metabolism. So drink some green tea daily to help your efforts. Number 4, I don't have one on me, is grapefruit. Grapefruit is also really rich in antioxidants, also antioxidants that help your body boost your metabolism. So get yourself some grapefruits and incorporate that into your daily diet as well. The number 5 superfood is avocado. Everyone loves avocado. When you're out to eat, pay that extra dollar and get your avocado added to your taco or your burrito or whatever it is you're eating. Add your avocado because avocados are packed with healthy fats. They help nourish your body. They keep you feeling full longer. They help fight against hunger pains, and they actually fight against belly fat as well. So eat your avocados daily. Number 6 is coconuts. Here I just have some coconut water, which is pure coconut water. Coconuts are an amazing superfood, especially for weight loss. So they contain something called medium chain fatty acids, which are known to actually boost your metabolism to fight against excess fat. And the number 7 superfood of the day, I don't have it, it's in the fridge, I don't want to hold it, but it's grass-fed beef. Grass-fed beef is rich in protein and fatty acids that help you guys build lean muscle. It also helps your body protect against excess weight gain. So I actually have a list of 14 top melting superfoods available. It's in the Biowarrior lifestyle. Here I just went over the top 7, but if you're interested in getting the full cheat sheet, the full list, it is in the Biowarrior lifestyle program. That is our weight loss program. It's all the tips and secrets that I actually use to lose 55 pounds. It's all about nourishing your cells. It's about remineralizing your body. It's about taking care of your body, naturally losing weight. So you don't have to go kill yourself in the gym or, spend hours and hours a day working out. Part of the lifestyle program, we actually do have some workouts for you though, but you can get them done in just 10 to 20 minutes a day. And lastly, we have a community there for accountability and support. In our Biowarrior lifestyle app, you can download the program to your cell phone, and you have access to all the cheat sheets. You have access to your daily workouts, your meal plan, your grocery guides. So much is in the Biowarrior lifestyle. So if you guys want to get a free 7-day experience, which I highly suggest you take advantage of, you just go to biowarriorlifestyle.com. It's free for 7 days, and after that, the program is just $27 a month. It's cheaper than a stick of Estee Lauder mascara a month. So it's an incredible program. It's an incredible price. People now on the program are losing weight, they're energizing, they're anti-aging, they're feeling so much better. And something that's super incredible is my husband's in real estate, so he's always, going on listing appointments and meeting with people. And so one of his clients actually, unfortunately, has cancer, and she decided not to go with the traditional means of chemotherapy and radiation and surgery. So she went and sought and found some holistic health doctors. And so what they're doing is they're actually putting her on a raw diet. They're flooding her body with vitamins, nutrients. She's detoxing. She's lost a ton of weight. He said she looks absolutely amazing. She's like in her 70s. And so she was talking with Jason about the food that's in her diet. And it's like identical to what the Biowarrior lifestyle is. Our Biowarrior lifestyle weight loss program is so incredible. It's healing, it's nourishing, it's remineralizing. It's so much more than some of the other weight loss programs out there who want you just to have, one egg for breakfast, and then for lunch, half of a apple, and then lunch is just like romaine lettuce with like a drizzle of lemon juice, and then dinner is like a little 5 ounce of chicken with like 3 sticks of asparagus. Our program is so feeling. You're treating your body, you're living life so much better. If you guys have not liked this page, Biowarrior Lorenzi, we share some of our recipes all the time to get you guys inspired and give you guys free tips on how to take back your life, your health, how to, lose weight, energize, all of the above. So be sure to like the Facebook page so you guys get all that free information daily. I try to share as much as I possibly can on a daily basis. So if you guys want to try the Biowarrior Lifestyle free for 7 days program, go to biowarriorlifestyle.com. Get your access now. I hope you guys have a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys later.